Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new DIY. I have two different styles of this lace halter top for you guys. Yeah, if you want to see how I made it, just continue watching. Okay, so the material you need for this DIY would definitely be lace. This is from Hobby Lobby for only a few bucks. I think $3 to $4. Walmart do have lace, but I do prefer Hobby Lobby lace better. It's just, it look a lot better to me, but it look a lot I can't describe it, but it just look better to me. And also the Walmart lace does not have this trimming on it. I will zoom in for you guys because if I was to walk forward to my camera it would be out of focus, but it has this little trimming at the top which just look beautiful around the neck area. Walmart lace fabric does not have that. Like I said, I will zoom in on it later. Okay, next thing you would need is some type of halter top. This is mine and it does have straps. So anything like of this nature that looks like a bralette, like that. Okay, so I will be using this today, and I like this top. I actually love it, and this is the only one I could find that I had. I went to Walmart. Walmart do have some, but they're super expensive, almost $30 for something like this in the lingerie section. So just check your Target or whatever else, wherever else sells like lingerie and these like elongated bralettes. I do actually like this top, and I would not be destroying it for this DIY, so I'm actually just going to pin my straps down and pin the fabric in the inside, but I will show you guys how to make a permanent lace halter top. Mine will only be temporary. Okay, next you're just going to need some pins. These will just be pinning your fabric in place so you can know where to hot glue. And speaking of hot glue, I do have a hot glue gun. You can definitely use a hot glue gun, or you can stitch it, but hot glue guns work just fine. Next you will need some scissors. This is a pair of scissors, and a ribbon. That is pretty much it, you guys. I made a mistake and picked up the sheer ribbon, but if you have like the regular black ribbon, that will look so much better, so much better than the top I'm gonna make with this ribbon. But that's pretty much it, you guys. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I was just start off by saying that I had already filmed this video. This is my second time filming it. My memory card was wiped when I got a new camera, so my materials are already cut to my measurements, but I will show you guys how to measure, you know, your bust area for the lace. Okay guys, so I cannot find my tape measure, but literally all you're doing is, I'm quite sure you guys will have on a bra while you're doing this, but just find the top of your bra, and you're going to measure from the top of your bra all the way up into like up under your chin, like to the end of your neck. And you want it to sit up high because once you tie the ribbon, it's going to kind of fall down a little, so it will end up being in this area. It will look right in the end. So that's all you're doing. Me, to be honest, I did not really measure. I just cut out fabric and was like, hey, this should work. So yeah, that's just how you're going to measure. Just measure from the top of your bust area to up under your chin, and then you're going to cut out 3 pieces, and you're going to cut out 2 if you want to make the open chest piece, the open chest halter. If you want the regular halter, you need 3 pieces. Okay, I love you guys, but I was not about to destroy this cute top for this DIY. Hopefully when I find a cheaper version of this, I will make, you know, the lace one permanent, or like a permanent lace one. But anyway, this little top was from Charlotte Russe a really long time ago, if any of you guys are wondering. So I already pinned down my straps, so now it's strapless. And like I told you guys, I had already cut my lace because this is the second time I'm filming this. Sorry. So these are my lace pieces. And this is the trim I was telling you guys about. Like, that is just so cute, freaking cute. It look even better on you guys. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys the finished result. So it's better if you try this top on and pin the pieces where you need them to go and then hot glue them. But for the purpose for this DIY demonstration, I'm just going to show you guys what you'll be doing without the top on, and then I'll show you with the top on. This is pretty much it. Place it, pin it, glue it. So I will show you guys with the top on how you're supposed to do that. So you want to make sure that you have the top on and that you're pinning it while it's on, even if you're going to sew or glue, because you want to make sure that it's where you want it. So the first time mine was a little further over this way, and I really wanted it to cut right in this area. So yeah, you definitely want to try it on and pin it while it's on. All you're doing is pinning the pins horizontally in the inside, and then you're going to take it off and either sew it or glue it down. And yeah, this is one side. I'm going to do the other side and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the inside of the top. I have 1, 2, 3 pins going horizontally to pin my lace down. So all you're going to do is sew or either glue along this line. And that's it for that step. Take your ribbon and tie it before you cut it. Okay, you guys, so your ribbon is pretty hard tying it just like this. So if you can pre-stitch the middle together, that would be much easier. You can also, I don't want to say glue, but just if you do decide to glue it, make sure you just glue a little bit where it can just stay up together like that. I do have a zipper in the back of my top, so I'm quite sure if you find the right halter top, they always have a zipper to get in and out of. So yeah, just kind of like pre-stitch or bond the very middle, like a small little second part, so it can stay up and you can just tie your ribbon around. If not, you're just gonna have to struggle trying to get it tucked in there and tying it. Okay guys, I got the first style tied. Yes. Okay, so that's it for this DIY lace halter top tutorial. Let me know what other type of style clothing you guys would like for me to make. And also follow me on Instagram to see how I style this beauty. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!